What happens inside your body between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m.? Most people waste this window. Every night, your body runs a 12-hour biological program designed to burn fat, repair cells, reset hormones, and rebuild tissue. Most people cancel it before it finishes. Not intentionally. They just do not know it is running. Nobody told them what their body is doing between 8 at night and 8 in the morning. Nobody explained what interrupts it. And nobody showed them how to let it complete. This video does all three. The program starts the moment you stop eating. Hour 1 to 3. Your body is processing your last meal. Insulin is elevated. Your fat cells are locked. Nothing is coming out of storage. This is normal. This is digestion. Let it finish. Hour 3 to 6. Insulin begins falling. Your liver starts releasing stored glucose to keep your blood sugar stable while you sleep. Your body is transitioning from using incoming food to using what it already stored. Fat cells are beginning to unlock. Hour 6 to 10. This is where it gets important. Liver glycogen, the stored sugar your body has been burning through, is running low. Your body is now shifting its primary fuel source. Fat cells are releasing stored fatty acids into the bloodstream. Your liver is beginning to convert those fatty acids into ketones. Your brain, which has been running on glucose all night, is starting to accept a second fuel. This is the metabolic switch, the shift from burning what you ate to burning what you stored. For most of human history, this switch happened every single night. Today, most people never reach it because they eat too late, snack after dinner, or eat too early the next morning. Hour 10 to 12. The switch is complete. Insulin is at its lowest point. Growth hormone is beginning to rise. Autophagy, your body's cellular cleaning process, is accelerating. Your cells are identifying and recycling damaged proteins and debris that would otherwise accumulate over time. This is not a bonus. This is maintenance your body cannot perform any other way. Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 2016 for mapping how autophagy works. The research is clear. It requires low insulin. It requires caloric absence. It requires time. And it reaches the meaningful activity somewhere between hour 10 and hour 14, depending on the individual. Your body built this program. It runs it every night if you let it. Most people do not let it. Here is what cancels the program. Eating after 8 in the evening. A late dinner means insulin stays elevated well past midnight. Your body spends the first 6 hours of the night still processing food instead of transitioning to fat burning. The program starts late. It does not finish before morning. Snacking after dinner, even something small. A handful of something. A sweet drink. Any caloric intake resets the clock. Your body returns to digestion mode. The fat-burning transition restarts from 0. Eating too early the next morning. If you finish dinner at 9 and eat breakfast at 7, you have given your body 10 hours. Your liver glycogen is not fully depleted. The metabolic switch has not completed. You are ending the program at exactly the moment it was reaching its most productive phase. This is the mistake most people make without knowing it. They do not eat badly. They eat at the wrong times. And their body never gets enough uninterrupted quiet to complete what it was designed to do every night. The fix is not complicated. Finish your last meal by 7 or 8 in this evening. Stop eating completely after that. Water is fine. Plain tea is fine, nothing else. When you wake up, wait. Drink water. Move if you can, even a short walk. But do not eat immediately. Give your body the final hours it needs to complete the program your night started. Your first meal does not need to be at noon. It does not need to be a heroic fast. It just needs to be far enough from your last meal that your body had time to finish what it started. 12 hours is the floor. 14 is where the most important biological work is completed. Everything between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m., if left uninterrupted, builds toward that. You do not have to do anything difficult. You have to stop doing the things that interrupt a process your body already knows how to run. If this gave you a clearer picture of what your body is doing while you sleep, subscribe to my channel. Every video here explains the mechanism behind the habit. Not just what to do, why it works at the level of biology. And in the next video, I will show you the single most important thing to eat when you break this window in the morning. Because the wrong first meal undoes everything the night just built. And almost nobody gets it right.